This is a Marshall Enterprises presentation. Man, oh man, have I got some good stuff for you today. If you're looking to weed yourself off of weed, wean yourself off of cigarettes, cigars is a good alternative, but an even better alternative is something natural and something that is also going to help cleanse your lungs. Now, if you take this particular product, I'll show you in a second, in a tablet form, which they have up there, I don't want to get up and get it. You take it in a tablet form, you can sprinkle it on your food, you can make a tea with it, but you can also smoke it. It is mullein leaf. Mullein leaf. I'm going to pause here or show you what I'm talking about here and give you a breakdown of what mullein leaf is good for. Okay, so as I have let you in on, this is the 14 amazing uses and benefits of mullein, and this comes from Organic Facts. Here's the website address, the URL for one here. All right, and let's just go through some of these benefits. I'm not going to read the whole thing. I can't stand doing that. I want you to do your own research, please. The mullein benefit. Excuse me. There are many impressive benefits to using mullein leaves, particularly with respiratory ailments, cardiovascular health, and virus infection, among others. Bursitis, ear infections, disinfectant, respiratory health, chest infections, wounds, hair care, inflammation, heart health, stomach upset. As mentioned, there are many uses for mullein, and it not only the leaves. And it is not only leaves, but also seeds and flowers that can aid in your herbal healing. You can brew the dry leaves into a tea. You can extract the essential oils from these leaves. You can mix the crushed leaves into a smoking blend. The leaves and flowers can be made into a tincture. You can crush the seeds and mix in water to form an anti-inflammatory paste. While this plant has been used for thousands of years, there's still a dearth of modern research on the many effects, but the anecdotal evidence is overwhelming. So there are very little side effects, and if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, you should not mess with this herb unless you check with your doctor. But I gave you a URL. I've shown you basically the benefits. Let's go down, see if there's more down here. Nope. That's mullein leaf. All right. So as I said, not only can you make it into a tea, you can sprinkle it on your salads and your food. You know, you can put it in a tablet form and take it as a supplement, but you can also smoke it. Here's a sample, or what's left of a sample, because I've been experimenting with different blends of not just mullein leaf, other natural herbs, smokable herbs that is good for depression. It's good for mood. It gives you in it puts you in a pleasant mood. Those that are dealing with depression and dealing with anxiety, there's herbs that can take care of those situations. And how would you do it, you ask? Raw makes a particular roll-up paper from the bamboo sheets or an actual tube, like so. Stick your herbs inside, roll it up, light it. Now, done was, now this comes from a little bit of research and from trial and error. If you watch one of my older videos, you'll see my shelf with a bunch of these herbs sitting on the shelf, and it's dry. What has been discussed was if you roll up dry material, you may get more smoke or you may get a bitter taste. So it's better to make or have them moist, which is why cigars need to be kept at a certain temperature. So what I've done was I've taken Mullein Leaf, stuck one of my water pillows. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Taking a water pillow and placing inside a bag with some Mullein Leaf. I also have a digital barometer. Don't quote me, I'll put the word here, for measuring the humidity. So in this bag, it's 78 degrees. With the water pillow inside, the water pillow is adding the moisture to the leaf, or re-adding moisture to the leaf. So when you roll it up and you smoke it, you get a mellow, you get a nice smoke. This is an alternative to smoking cigarettes. You're not getting the tar, the nicotine, all those added extra additives into the smoke. It's natural from the wrapper that you put it in, that you're smoking it with, to the herbs itself. You're smoking natural herbs. There is a whole list of smokable herbs, of which I'm going to piecemeal it to you and give you some other ones. And I'll give you the concoction I made. I'll tell you the ingredients of that one. And I've run across some interesting things, smokable herbs. So if you're looking to get off cigarettes, like I said, this is a powerful, powerful way to wean yourself off. And also you're cleaning your lungs while you're doing it. Incredible, incredible. This is the Mullein Leaf. Let me put the Mullein Leaf back, let it continue to gain its moisture back. And my other crops, I have Calendula Flowers. Whole Calendula Flowers. What I've also done with this one is I've put it in some coconut oil, some really fine coconut oil, and I let it blend like a tincture. It's been in that oil for at least a year now. You can take that oil, rub it on your skin for eczema, for any kind of skin ailments. This alone is good by itself. You can actually rub the leaves, put some like moisten it, put it on your skin directly, and it is wonder. So Calendula, Mullein Leaf, the two I'm going to give you today, and give you some more information on it. You know, I'll pause here and give you some ideas about Calendula. Same website, but we're going to bring up the 7 impressive Calendula benefits. So the most impressive health benefits of Calendula include the ability to speed healing, protect oral health, improve the appearance of the skin, boost vision, lower inflammation, reduce the risk of certain cancers, and eliminate cramps. Now, side note, most of the herbs that I have in my possession today, I looked up cancer fighters, and every last herb that I have in my possession are cancer fighters. So my thought process is, and let me stop sharing my screen for this. My thought process is, if you flood your body with anti-cancer herbs and cancer fighters, then the cancer that could develop won't really have a fighting chance, because it's being onslaught by so many different cancer fighters. All right, so that's how I have what I have in my arsenal now. And when I did my research on smokable herbs, come to find out, I have most of the stuff on the list already. Back to benefits. Now, in this website, in this URL, this link, it doesn't mention the smoking of calendula. So I'm going to take you to another site that's going to break down the benefits of smoking calendula. So you can use calendula as a substitute. Smoking calendula benefits brisk and herbal blends. Can I smoke calendula? Yes, you can smoke calendula in herbal smoking blends or mix with your favorite legal herb, although don't expect any health benefits as no studies support those types of claims. This smokable flower is, like auto CBD strains, typically used as a supportive element in herbal blends consisting of other herbs you can smoke like mullein, sage, chamomile, and mint. So, did we go over the benefits of? I think we did, but let's read some more here. Some of those claims, of course, have varying levels of scientific support, with some animal and cell-based studies confirming some of the traditional uses, but also uncovered the antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties of this herb. So now we have possibly effective for. Study have found that some chemical compounds found in calendula may have a variety of health benefits. Although studies are few and far beyond, from what is readily available online, here are a few that we've noted. We'll spare you all the details, but reference at the end of the blog if you want to geek out. Pot marigold, Calendula officinale, same thing, that calendula, may be effective for reducing radiation, dermatitis, and pain from radiation therapy, treating foot conditions that cause injuries and calluses, reducing the number of wounds, dead tissue, and bad smell, speeding up wound healing in a variety of different ways in animal studies, promoting new blood vessel formation and repairing connective tissue, treating all inflammation in wounds. Calendula as a natural tobacco alternative. As I mentioned to you, calendula is a natural tobacco alternative with the role of supportive herb to add soothing sensation in herbal smoking blends. Mixed with other flavorful smokable herbs like mint or sage, calendula pairs excellently with terpenes like limonene. The flavor of calendula adds a hint of citrus that reduces the harshness sensation in your throat and your lungs after you inhaled your favorite legal herb. As I've done with the mullein, I've also added moisture to the calendula flowers. And I combine them, put them in my bamboo sleeve, and smoke it. And it is I'm not a smoker. However, the calming effect is felt instantly. So for someone that has been smoking for a long time and they like that menthol taste, secrets. I'm not supposed to give you all this stuff in this one video, but mint leaves, spearmint, mint, you can add mint leaves to your mixture. Smoke it, and it's just like you're smoking cigarettes, but you're not. You're smoking something more healthy for you. Disclaimer, smoking period, anything that you inhale other than mullein, that you inhale into or you inhale is not good because of the effects that you're having on your esophagus, your lungs. There's other internal organs I can't name right here, but smoking in and of itself is not so great. This chops that. This trumps all of that. Science has proven smoking mullein leaf is good. It expels the mucus from your lungs. It repairs the damage. You can't smoke for 20 years and then smoke this for 5 years and then replace your lung, like your lung is going to get better. No, but this gives you so much improvement. If you have asthma, mullein leaf. It's one of those, don't believe me, check it out for yourself. But I'm just giving you some information that I came across that I was like, wow, did I know my listeners, my followers, my subscribers would love to hear this information and probably like to experiment on their own and find out the benefits themselves. So as promised, this one here is mullein leaf, catnip, and Calendula Flowers. Like I said, it's over here. I've experimented, and that's what's left. So I didn't smoke the whole thing. I'm not a smoker. I don't need the whole thing. Couple of pulls, okay, put it away. But I mixed together Calendula, catnip, and the mullein leaf. As I said, you can do mullein leaf by itself, but to give it a nice balance, to give it more power, more zest, you add additional smokable herbs to it. So Bud Brownsville, short and sweet, and eventually, give me a little while because I'm still experimenting. I'm still trying to find the perfect blend. I am going to sell pre-rolls of my mixtures, different combinations for different effects. If you want to get off cigarettes, you want something to wean yourself off cigarettes, and peppermint balls and all those things is not working for you. The patch is not working for you. Even the patch is putting chemicals in you to try to wean you off. Then you get addicted to the patch. Now you're putting the patch on for no reason, and you're getting natural. I'm all about nature provides the answer. I'm all about natural. So if you want a natural way to stop smoking cigarettes, mullein leaf. So as I said, I'll be making some pre-rolls for sale, and I'll add it to the Nature Provides the Answer website. The Nature Provides the Answer website is up, but these products are not there yet. They will be, but just want to give you some information that I know you can use, and I know you're going to do your own research and follow up, but I'll be making some more videos to enlighten you guys on smokable herbs. I love my cigars, but this is a game changer. So Bud Brownsville, smokable herbs, and stuff that you can use for depression, anxiety, and helping to get away from cigarettes and the negative contents that cigarettes have. Bud Brownsville. Peace, everybody.